Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5th, subject Social Studies, revision of lesson 2, presented by Durga Thapa. So, my dear students, let's begin the revision of lesson 2. The name of the lesson is The Four Stone Ages. So we will revise the four stone ages. My dear students, in lesson number 2, the four stone ages, we have studied that on the basis of quality and type of stone tools used by the early humans, the Stone Age has further divided into the four parts. They are Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, Neolithic Age and Chalcolithic Age. Now students, so we are going to revise one by one all these four sections. Okay. Students, as you know that the first part of the four stone ages, the first age is Paleolithic Age. And Paleolithic age started at 500,000 BC till about 10,000 BC. Students, as you already know that stone was so largely used by the primitive humans in their everyday life that historians prefer to call this period as the Stone Age. And students, so old Stone Age, that is Paleolithic Age, so the use of the stone started from the Paleolithic Age, and men and women both are making the tools by using the stones. Now students, the discovery of fire was one of the greatest achievements of early humans, and this discovery of fire was done in Paleolithic Age. Students, we have studied that in Paleolithic Age, the human beings were mainly hunters and gatherers. And to save from the wild animals and to save from the rain and the other severe cold time, they used to live in the caves. So they started making the paintings and they started living in the they are wanderers, and they used to live in groups, and they used to move in groups in search of new food, new sources of food, seasonal fruits, animal for hunting and water. Students, Mesolithic age was started from 10,000 BC till about 800 BC. And the basic qualities of this Mesolithic age was that the primitive human, they invented wooden bows and arrows for hunting and boats for fishing.
Students, due to the ever-changing climatic conditions, grasslands developed in many parts of the world. With an increase in grass, the number of grass-eating animals like deer, goat, sheep, antelope and cattle also increased. It also led to the domestication of several animals.
And students, as we can see that, and we can compare the tools of the stone, that is Paleolithic age and the Mesolithic age. So Mesolithic age tools are more sharper and lighter. So, and it is very handy to use these tools. And so they include the crapers, borders, sickles, arrowheads, etc. The third age of the Stone Age is the Neolithic Age, and it started from 800 BC till about 400 BC. It is also known as New Stone Age. Students, the very important factor of the Neolithic Age is that the Neolithic people started farming. Yes, and this was a very great achievement. The people started living in one place. They started farming. Now they were not wanderers, but they are living the social life, and they are living in one place. Now because they started living in one place, they started farming, so they also started the domestication of animals. Yes, and they started taming the animals like cattle, goats, sheep, horses, etc. And what was the next discovery of the Neolithic Age? Yes, very good. It was his discovery of the wheel, and yes, it was one of the greatest achievement of the Neolithic humans. That was the discovery of the wheel, and the new invention made the life of the Neolithic humans easier, and they also used the wheel at making pots and moving the heavy loads from one place to another place. Students, the invention of potter's wheel helped the Neolithic humans in making various type of earthen pots, as you can see in this picture. And now let's talk about the tools and weapons. Yes, the Neolithic tools and weapons were well shaped and polished. Tools were now made of stones, bones and wood, and they were painted with different colors also, and they are very handy and they are very lightweighted. They include the chisels, hammers, mortars, discs, buttons, sticks, etc. and daggers and spearheads and needle and harpoon. All these are the main weapons of the Neolithic Age. Students, as you know that Chalcolithic Age is also known as the age of metals. Yes, and this age was characterized by an extensive use of copper and bronze. So this age is also known as the age of metals. And you can see here lots of lots of Chalcolithic Age people are busy in making the making the tools, and they are heating up the coals, and they are making their daggers and other uh, daggers or chisel, mortar, harpoon, spearhead, dagger. All these are the important tools of this age, and they are all made up of only metal. So in this picture you can see that the people are using the hammer, they are making the sword, and they are making the daggers. And students, the Chalcolithic man grew crops in rotation: wheat, barley, rice, black and green grams, green peas, and lentils were the commonly grown crops. And due to the rotation of the crops, they are the people of the Copper Age are getting the more crops from the same land. Now students, the worship of the mother goddess as the mother of soil gained prominence. Yes, and bull was also worshipped. Fire worship was common, as is evident from the discovery of the fire altars. Yes, and a strong belief in life after death continued to dominate the minds of the Chalcolithic people. That means they started the religious belief from the Chalcolithic age. My dear students, I hope now the revision of the lesson 2 is done very well, and you have to revise the lesson once again at your own for the revision test. So students, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.